We got a thing of boiling water here, right here. We're gonna go throw it on me and my friend Bill. We're gonna see if we both die from scaldation of water. Handbook, grab that thing.
Get out of the way. How was it? Was it hot?
It's warm, and sometimes, but it's like smoke.
It's weird.
It freaks you out more than I'm glad I have my glasses. That's all I'm gonna say about that.
Okay, so what happened?
Nothing. The smoke just
get hit with drops.
you get hit with like a little tiny things of like a droplet of snow. It's kind of like a big hard piece of snow. It's kind of weird. It's hard to explain. It's like a warm piece of snow that hits you. It's weird to
Like a
explain.
warm slice of heaven.
Like a slice of heaven. It's like a slice of heaven. It's like a slice of heaven.
Okay.
It's awesome.